Hey, when was the last time you cleaned your makeup brushes? I bet it's been a while. So today I want to show you some really easy ways to do it that will keep them pliable and good for years. Because let's face it, they're pretty expensive to buy. So first thing I suggest is that you use some Dr. Bronner's, which is a Castile liquid soap. We can put that in a little warm water, and it's all natural, so it doesn't dry out your brushes. You're going to take your brush, put it in, wiggle it back and forth a few times, get the dirt out of it, but don't soak it. Because if you do, the actual brush part can come loose from the part that holds it to the handle, and you're gonna ruin that brush. So do it just like that. Now, what else can you do? You can use bar soap if you have some Dove at home, something like that. I'm using just some solid Castile, and I'm gonna work a wet brush into that, and I really like this method because you can really see the dirt come up and off of that. One other way to do it, if you've got some dishwashing liquid, you can use that. Put a sponge in a dish, put a little dishwashing liquid on it, wet that brush, put it in and start working it around, lathering it up. And of course, you're gonna wanna rinse these really, really well. If you have one of the makeup brush cleaners, they work great too. And you can see how that pulls that dirt right out of that makeup brush. It does a great job. Now, when you're rinsing these, if you're prone to breakouts, put a little hydrogen peroxide in your rinse water, and that will keep that from happening to you. It does a really good job for that. Now, if you have really expensive hair brushes, you can also use olive oil. We're gonna put a little on the sponge, and I always put a sponge in the dish and do it like that. Then we're gonna take our makeup brush and we're gonna just rub that back and forth in there. And I just wanna hold this up so you can see the way it's taking that dirt off of that. Look how it just works that foundation and everything right out of it. When you're done, what you'll do is take a paper towel and start and work that out so that it takes all of that dirty makeup out of there. Now, one last thing I want to share with you. I like to store my things when I travel in a way that's easy. So what I do is I take a glasses case, just like this. I pop my makeup brushes in it. So in my suitcase, they're well kept. And I use a little soft case for my lipsticks and things like that. I stand that right up in my purse and I always know where they're at. So take a look at those makeup brushes and see if you shouldn't be doing a little cleaning today. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.